So as usual, nanonood ako ng mga FB Reels and I come across another video.
Black hole ay talagang nakakatakot.
Yes, I would have to agree with most of what he said. Yung mga sinabi niya tungkol sa gravity, black hole, yung gravitational pull ng araw, they're all true. What I disagree with ay nung sinabi niya na merong isang black hole na nagiging immediate threat sa Earth. Although it is true na ang black hole ay threat sa existence ng Earth, kaya lang ang tinutukoy niyang black hole ay ang Sagittarius A. Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole na siyang sentro ng Milky Way Galaxy. This is the Milky Way Galaxy at dito sa gitna andito ang Sagittarius A. Kung bagyo ang Milky Way Galaxy, ang Sagittarius A ang mata ng bagyong yon. Kaya yung sabi niya na baka pumunta sa atin ng Sagittarius A, ayon daw sa mga media outlets, it's highly unlikely. I'll tell you what's mostly likely to happen. In a few billion years bago mag-supernova yung araw natin, magiging red giant siya at lalamunin niya yung Earth. Also, the closest galaxy sa ating Milky Way, ang Andromeda Galaxy, ay pabangga sa galaxy natin. But there's nothing to worry about. Matagal na panahon pa yon. Our species will have conquered other planets siguro or extinct na tayo, whichever comes first. So no, Sagittarius A is not an immediate threat. Abagan na lang natin yung supernova ni Betelgeuse which is expected to happen soon. Or nangyari na, it just hasn't reached us yet.